Get the complete outside structure. Gonna have to pull this front piece of pine. Alright, seems we get 2 smudges on the lens. Side we got it leveled. These notched underneath our beams, all the way down. Looking good, nice and tight. See, we got our plate in the back. Everything screwed. We're trying to cover off this plywood off this triangle. Try and contain our own job. Or little varmints. Beautiful. Alright, we got a ceiling joist in, soffit joist. We're gonna plywood this. We just have less problems when we plywood it. The insulation all wrapped in around this bay in the front, inside. A little bit of the old and the new collaborating together. It looks great. It should still look the same out of here. Still got the same fascia. Got a post supporting the neighbors. And we got one supporting our beam. Up here, everything plywood. We're going to do the bottom too. Keep the varmints out. By 6s wrapped in pine and gapped. I'll new soffit up. Dead end of this wall here.
Okay. See, the posts are now in place, all capped up. Soffit on the porch is complete with the light in place. We have to close this end off. You see this post has been capped off. The spout's also in place. We've started with our soffits. We've also crowned off this whole area here so we can continue moving on.
So you cut everything away right up to the bay. Right behind this white capping is actually wood. That capping is not doing too good. It's ready to be changed out. This bay is ready to be stripped down and re-sided and flashed. Cut everything away all the way around, all pre-mucked. Lay the plywood right in it. Over here you can see what happens if you got this roof. It's at an angle like this that hits a wall like this. It just fills up with dirt. So I just kind of smoothed it out with the plywood and mucked and fabric everything, and then mucked up as high as I can underneath. There's the fabric, ready for the next layer. And then you gotta have some room. This was all cut at 2 inches up so the water can get around. That happens, everything hits the back of the corner post and gets in. That's why they muck, and once you start mucking this up, everybody forgets about the water that gets in here. And it comes down the metal, so you're trapping it and holding it in. Your drop hole ready to go. Set that wet muck all the way around our edging.
Studio session, that is your playback track of the day. Can see if I do
All right. Move down.
You see the little piece that's up here? No, I'm talking about the burn top. Can you put this thing right there? All the way. Here. So the wind, sits here up there so the wind won't get up under the mess of y'all.
Rubber all nice and far underneath the bay, as far as we can go. I'm going to leave this block of wood. It used to have a stand on the roof. Got a drop hole 3-inch, brand new. Everything finished off on the side here. That way, whoever does the work for the neighbor can just eye right into that or end right into it. We got a piece of wood here we're going to leave.